How to change your name on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your TikTok. Click on the profile icon at the bottom. Next, you'll see Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile. So here you'll be able to edit anything related to your profile. To edit your name, click on Name, and then type in your new name that you want to change it to. So your name can only be changed once every 7 days, and it can only be up to 30 characters long. Once you're done changing it, click on Save at the top right corner. You can choose to change your username the same way by clicking on Username. So usernames can only contain letters, numbers, underscores, and periods, and changing your username will also change your profile link. You can only change your username once every 30 days, and your username has to be unique. So if you see a green tick mark right here, then that means that you can take this username. Once you're done changing it, click on Save at the top right corner. So this is how to change your name on TikTok. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.